Hi everyone, I am Sandeep Ranjan, and in this tutorial video today we are going to learn about how to create circular print design like as you can see on the screen. So for this we will create first of all a new page of any dimension will work, and once my page is ready then I have to fill over here black color. So to fill black color I will make a rectangle, and once my rectangle is ready then I will fill black color completely inside. So for your practice purpose you can follow the same, and after that you can create your own design. So first of all we have to select the fill, and after that just select this black color. So here you go, and now we have to lock this layer, but still like right now we can see over here that page is not aligned. So in that case we will align it fully, and now we'll lock the layer. After this we have to create a new layer on which we will make a circle. So to make circle we have to select ellipse tool, and shortcut is L. You can press L in your keyboard. So now let's make a circle by pressing shift and alt so that it will be in the equal dimension, and now my circle is here ready, but right now it is filled with black color. So what we have to do for circle, we will just make it over here no fill, but my stroke will be filled. So now we will select here stroke, which is there on the top. So guys, basically we have to make changes over here in the stroke itself, in the properties of a stroke, to get those design. So right now my circle is not aligned fully in the center of the page. So for this we have certain options available here on the top. We will align it properly so that now it will come into the center, and now after this we will make this particular stroke color with white so that we can see the circle. Right now I cannot see where is my circle, so let's select it and make it to the white color. So now we can see my outline of the circle. Alright, so after this we have to make the changes in the properties of this stroke, but before that let's make some changes with the appearance. Okay, so now here is the appearance and here is the stroke. So at this point of time I'm going to use cap as the round cap, and after that I will just enable my dash line. So now there are certain properties which you can change, like dash, gap, and after that again dash is there, then again gap is there. So it will create the changes. I will show you, like let's suppose if I have to change the dash. Right now it's on 0 point, so what I'm gonna do, I will just increase it, and you can see over here like on the circle that dash are there, dash line. Okay, so now apart from this, let's say if we make changes with the gap, so it will increase the gap or decrease the gap. Okay, so the gap which you are having over here in the outline, so I will show you again. Now here you can see like my gaps are increased. Okay, so you can just change it as per your requirement, and I will make the changes in this particular weight of the stroke. So I will just make it up to wait, hold on, I have to first select this particular circle, and then after that we will make the changes. So this type of mistakes you will be doing. So that's what, like first of all select the object where you want to make the changes. So now my object is selected, and now I'm going to change the number. So as I am changing the number, I will just keep it to 10 so that it will be more visible. So right now we can see here this is now more thick. Okay, so now my dash line is there, but how to create a circular design? So to create the circular design, we will just select this particular circle, and then we will go to effect, and from effect we have to go to distort and transform, and then after this we have to click on transform option. So now first of all enable the preview, and then after that let's make the changes. So I will just go with the copies right now, like let's say 10 copies, and now my 10 copies are here, but you won't be able to see right now. Now I'm going to make the change in the scale. So as I am making the change in the scale, you can see like there is some changes. Okay, so I will just decrease the number so that it will go inside. I will just keep it 95, and after that again for vertical as well, I will decrease the number to 95. Now horizontal move and vertical move you can make according to the changes, but the main difference will come from the angle. So let's increase the angle, and after that, or let's say if you want to decrease the angle, so you can decrease it accordingly. And I will make this particular copies up to now 20. So let's see what is the change after 20. And I will just make some changes over here. Let's make it to 90, and similar way here also we will change it to 90 so that it will be like fully aligned. All right, so now apart from that, let's make the changes over here, angle as much as you want. So you can see over here now my things has been changed. Okay, so let's fix it here. All right, now this is my one type of circular design, but all the lines are very even. So now what I will do, I will just select this particular outline, the circle which we made, and after that again we'll go to the properties option, appearance, stroke panel, and now here we will change the profile. So once we change the profile, then you will see like a lot of profiles are here. So let me select this one with profile number 5, and now you can see the changes over here. And if again, like let's say suppose if I go to stroke option, if I increase the weight to 20, and after that let's flip this particular profile, so now you can see here change. And this is your circular design, one kind of, people used to call it mandala art as well as circular design. So you can make the changes in the color, and now here you go, your all the designs are ready. If you want to make some more changes in this, then you can follow the same process again. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions or queries, you can put down in the comment section.